Hi everyone, welcome to another lesson. Today we're going to learn another family of two Arabic alphabets. Let's get started. So here we have this shape. It's called harf ra, and this one the same as harf ra but has a dot on the top. Zai. So let's see harf ra with short vowel with harakat. I'm just gonna erase this dot here. Then I'm gonna write another like 3 or 4 more letters. I'm gonna do the harakat. Fatha, if you remember, ra, damma, ro, kasra, ri, sukun, r. So dammatan, run, like ro, but we hear n at the end, run. So this is tanween with a dam. Ra, ro, ri, r, ra. Now, if ra goes with alif, long vowel, ra, ro, kasra goes with ya, ri. Just, I don't want to write it again. It's just because I don't want the video to be longer for you. So ra, ru, ri, r, run. Good. Now let's do حرف الزين with حركات. نقطة نقطة في الأعلى on the top. Say. This is, now I do the short vowels. فتحة. If you new to the channel, go back to the first lessons. You can find everything here. So za, damma, zo, kasra, zi, sukun, z. In here, oh, this is the, let me do the نقطة here. So I'm gonna introduce you to تنوين بالكسر. كسرتان. So zin, like z, then zin. So this is with dam, zon, ron. If I have in here, it will be zon. But here I just introduce you to التنوين بالكسر. Zin, حسن جدا. If we want to do the long vowel, we add always فتحة goes with alif. Za, damma goes with waw, zu, kasra goes with ya, zi. حسن جدا. So like you see here, so ra is not friendly. It doesn't attach to the next letter. Za too doesn't attach to the next letter. Let me show you something here. I'm gonna erase everything, clear this board. So this is like the free ra, but if it's in the middle, it will be like this. Attached, but it doesn't attach to and in the like in the middle at the end too, because it's not friendly. It will not attach to anything. Let me give you some words with harf ra and harf zain. Let me just clear this. For example, I have this. Remember this letter. So jim with fatha ja, za, run, jazarun. So jazarun is carrots. Jazar, carrots. Okay, jazar, carrots. So now I will say this one. Like you see, that zain and ra is at the bottom of the line. They're not on the top. Zara. Zara is visited. So Zara is visited, means visited. أنا زرت المغرب في الصيف. I visited Morocco in the summer. زرت هو زار إيطاليا في في الشتاء. So زار الآن now let's do this را this is باء with شدة and the ربي so my God. I will do another series about vocabulary, but today I'm focusing on how to read. So جزر جزر za a long vowel alif za ra. This is no ra b because it's long vowel. This here it's act as rabbi. So very good, nice. So I will see you next time. مع السلامة. I wasn't recording.